Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Let me explain what's going on. So I got 18 yards of dirt. I moved it all already. One of the big reasons I got dirt is this situation right here. So I had brand new gutters put in, but even though I had brand new gutters put in, the rain comes through the gutters and erodes all of this. So needless to say, I dumped dirt. I ordered grass. I'm gonna start that process. The other thing is we got this awesome little golf cart for 200 bucks. The only thing we had to get is batteries. Clearly it needs a paint job, but Monkey loves it. She gets to come and hang out with me. Next day we got Chase, Eric, Leo. How big is this thing?
6 by 40.
We're building a 20 by 12 carport for the cows. Wish us luck. But we got Chase here. Last time it was just the three of us. Took us a couple days. After day one, nobody came to help me.
So it took you a couple days.
They're not very nice to me. All right, it's been like, I don't know, 35 minutes. Guys are pumping it out. Guys are really cracking away here. Looking good. So I don't know if you remember, there was a lot here. The goats are really taking it down. They like the obstacles. They're having a great time. No, Monkey, you're not feeling it? You're not feeling it? Okay.
He's starting to eat already.
Well, just like that, the weekend is over. We got the new carport up, aka donkey or Zebu home. Everybody is being quite nice right now. One of the last issues we're having is all the burrs from the back. They're covered in burrs. So that's going to be a project. Other than that, we had a fabulous weekend. Went to church, got projects done. I would have to say the only thing kind of weighing is with Sharon's new career. She's not home on the weekends anymore. So I miss her a lot, especially doing stuff on the farm and worshiping and things of that nature. But could be worse, right? We're blessed with so many things. Actually, I was talking to a friend of mine today, we're blessed in abundance. We have so much more than most. And sometimes I forget that, so I'm extremely thankful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope next week we have more fun and exciting things to share. And talk to you guys soon. Love you. Have a great week. Talk to you soon. Next week's episode, we're fixing this fence. The goats have pushed it over. Now they just hop it and come right back.